Calculating toolboard needs for standard wall-mounted toolboard panels. Lining your compartment interiors with PAC TRAC provides quick, secure installation and easy relocation of tool mounting brackets, all without drilling holes. Standard wall-mounted toolboard panels are built with rows of uniform boards tightly assembled, long edge against long edge, and then firmly joined together at the ends with Z-mount channels. There are several advantages to using the optional Z-mount channels. They provide a uniform edge with a locking system that bridges and secures boards together to create a solid turnkey panel for installation. They will require less drilling into your compartment wall, and they significantly reduce installation time and provide a more professional appearance. Note that building a panel without Z-mount channels would require that each board be individually fastened to the wall. Toolboard costing is based on the number of consecutive 8 5/8 inch or 5 3/4 inch wide boards used to create the panel height, as well as the cost of 10-inch wide increments in finished toolboard width, including the Z-mount ends. To clarify the 10-inch wide pricing increments, for estimating purposes, a 31-inch and a 39-inch finish width toolboard, for example, would be the same price because they are within the same 10-inch width pricing increment. To size and cost your toolboard, we will need some dimensions from you. As a general rule, when measuring for your panel, our suggestion is that you give yourself a 1-inch boundary from all internal corners of the compartment wall. Therefore, in your order, your desired finished width of the toolboard should be at least 2 inches less than the measured full width of the inside of the cabinet wall. For the width dimensions, please give us the inside width of your compartment wall from side to side, and then please also provide the desired finished width of your toolboard edge to edge, including the Z-mount channels if chosen. Considerations. Note that both boards accommodate PAC's entire line of tool mounting brackets. The 5 3/4 inch wide dual track has a center unistrut channel, which is generally better for securing heavier equipment, which may be a consideration. The 8 5/8 wide PAC TRAC covers more surface area and requires less fasteners. The ultimate choice may be dictated by the sum of increments of the 8 5/8 inch or 5 3/4 inch board, which gets you closest to your desired toolboard height. For the height dimension, please measure the height of the inside of your compartment wall from floor to ceiling and subtract 2 inches for the 1-inch border at the top and bottom. Divide that available height by increments of either 8 5/8 or 5 3/4 inch based on the previous discussion of board selection. This will produce the number of boards required. Here are some final considerations. Note that it is possible to center the assembled panel any way you see fit in the available space. The board does not necessarily need close proximity to the compartment base. And a final consideration is that it can be acceptable for equipment that is properly mounted on the panel to overhang the border of the panel. Once you provide your compartment wall dimensions, your desired finished toolboard dimensions, and whether you want PAC TRAC or dual track, we can take it from there. If you have any questions in this process, please give us a call at 888-514-0083. We would be happy to help. View our other videos online for additional tips and information.